In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your GameSir G7 Pro via Bluetooth to your Android, PC, or supported device step by step. If you're having trouble pairing, don't worry because this video will fix it. So the first thing that you need to do is switch to Bluetooth mode. So first of all, you need to look at your GameSir G7 Pro. So I want you to find the mode switch on the back or side of the controller. Change it from wired to 2.4G mode, and then go to Bluetooth mode. Once switched, the controller is now ready for pairing, and then after that, you need to turn on the pairing mode. Now, I want you to press the Xbox and the home button to power it on. Then hold the pairing button until the light starts flashing rapidly. Now, the flashing blue means the Bluetooth pairing mode is active. This means your controller is now discoverable. And then after that is you need to connect to Android or your phone. On your phone, go to settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Turn the Bluetooth on and wait for devices to scan. And then look for GameSir G7 Pro or sometimes wireless controller, depending on the mode. Tap it to connect, and once successful, the light becomes solid. And then after that, you need to connect to PC, which is an optional. If you're using Windows, turn on Bluetooth on your PC, go to Add Device, and then Bluetooth. You may see GameSir G7 Pro or Xbox Bluetooth Gamepad. Select it and pair. Now, if that doesn't work, re-enter pairing mode and try it again. And then another thing that you need to check is Bluetooth is mainly optimized for Android devices. Now for PC gaming, 2.4 GHz dongle is more stable, and Xbox console still requires wired connection only. But, once connected, you need to test your buttons in a game. Make sure inputs respond correctly and enjoy wireless gaming. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to connect GameSir G7 Pro via Bluetooth. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.